Hi guys, so this is my analysis on gold. To be honest, if you watch my previous analysis on gold, I was expecting a big drop on gold, especially when it has breached my 61.8 Fibonacci, right? And I also saw, and let me zoom out on this, 61.8, right? And I also saw an engulfing candle right here, so I was really expecting a drop, right? But I lost some money because it dropped, but it didn't get to my profit before it went up. So I lost my stop loss right there. So, but like I said, right, I know some people will say, because there was news today, there was CPI news today, I know some people will say it was actually manipulated, but I don't think so, because if you look at my trade, if you look at left of my trade, right, it broke out from this it broke out from the zone right here, and it hasn't fully retested the zone, so it came back here to retest the zone, which makes sense, right? So I wasn't anticipating it to come in here to retest the zone before pushing down, because it was at, like I explained further before, it was at my negative 61.8 fib, and I saw an engulfing candle, so I was expecting a drop at that moment, but it did not. We had to come to this level right here to retest. So I'm still expecting a drop on gold, to be honest. And as you can see, let's look for them. We can see on gold that it's actually showing a pattern of reversal right now, and let me explain what I'm saying, right? Let me put a trend line right here first. Let me go to the forward to see. Yep, let me adjust this trend line right here. You can see, right? So let's see. All right, so what I'm seeing right now, we can see right here, right? Why I said there is a pattern of reversal is we can see there is an impulse here, then there's a correction, an ascending correction, or a rising wedge, which is a reversal pattern. So when you see an impulse and you see a ascending correction right here of rising wedge, either both, we're expecting a drop because it's a reversal flag. So as I said, I'm still expecting a drop on gold because it's actually printing out a reversal sign right here. And we can also still see third touch, right? We can see third touch at the reversal. Sometimes it doesn't fit perfectly on, let's see, right? So we can see first touch, second touch, and third touch. So we are probably going to drop as well. So those are my simple confluences that I see. So let's go back to my daily time frame. Let me expand that. So let's see, right? Let me expand that. So my first confluence that I'm still seeing a sell for sale is, I explained previously, we broke out of this zone right here, and probably it's coming here to retest, and we can also see a big rejection at this zone right here. So keep retesting the zone. So that's one confluence, and I can see it did not even close above the zone, which is good. Second confluence is we can see a reversal flag for me. A reversal flag for me with third touch on trend line. So touch 1, touch 2, touch 3. So probably see a drop. So that's my confluence for sell on gold. And I'm going to write, since it hasn't really formed, like, because if you have watched my videos you understand I use fib a lot, and it hasn't really formed like for me or form B for me. So where I'll be taking my profit is if it actually drop. Like I used to say, no one can actually predict the market 100%. Just because I have 3 confluences of it selling does it actually mean it to sell. So we should always use proper risk management. So like I'm saying, just because I haven't found a point to put my Fibonacci, if I'm going to take my trade at this level, this 90% right here will be my take profit. So if I see a drop right here, to be my take profit. For those that are quite conservative, right, you can wait for it to drop and retest before selling. So let's say if you're a conservative person, right, wait for it to actually drop, retest. You can, when it retests, then you can enter, then you write it to the 90% right here, TP 90%. So that is just my simple bias on gold right now. See you in my next video. Thank you.